Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, October 21st already. Oh my gosh, the days are flying by. Here is my outfit of the day today. The top from the lace cactus, one of my favorites. Today's weight was 174.5, so now I'm down a pound from yesterday. Always good. Always good. I also think that I'm having quiche for breakfast because I made a huge batch yesterday. So let's go downstairs and check it out. Breakfast this morning is this tri-tip and spinach quiche for 2 smart points. And then I'm also having some coffee with 1 tablespoon of fat-free half and half for 0 smart points. So my breakfast total is 2 points. The cutest little kid just asked me why I'm wearing a mask as I'm out on my walk. Cute. Anyway, so I am doing my 1 mile walk right now. And there's a couple things I wanted to tell you guys, which kind of confirmed the way I was thinking yesterday. 2 things, actually. Number 1, I was talking with a friend this morning about, she actually brought it up to me. She said, I can choose to be depressed. I'm choosing to be depressed instead of choosing to be happy. And I told her about my revelation yesterday about how I have the power to choose to be happy rather than choosing to be depressed. So that was cool because it was a bit of confirmation for both her and I that we have the power to choose. The second thing was something that Valerie Fitzwater posted in one of her groups. I loved it. It is it was a meme, and it said, what did it say? It said, even 10 minutes of walking per day can help make you happier. 10 minutes. So I was like, okay, I'm going for my walk today. I'm choosing to be happy. I'm choosing to go for my walk. I'm choosing all the good in my life. So that made me happy for today. One other thing made me super happy. I went shopping on Crate and Barrel and found this really cool onion chopper. And I'm super excited for it because we've had so many recipes this month with so many onions to be chopped. So it's gonna help a lot. I'm super excited for it. Okay, today's lunch is white bean and chicken soup that I made last night for dinner. I really highly recommend this soup. It's really good and really filling for only 1 smart point per serving on the purple plan. And the only reason it's 1 smart point is because I used olive oil to saute the vegetables. If you use cooking spray instead, you can make this 0 smart point soup. So look for the recipe in my video from yesterday, white bean and chicken soup. Usually I have this with some bread, but I'm not as super hungry today for lunch. So I'm gonna skip the bread and just have this for 1 smart point. Okay, it's after work now and I'm headed out to do a few errands. I wanted to tell you guys about something fun that I'm doing in my spare time to earn a little bit of extra cash. I love it. I started driving for Uber Eats and I absolutely love it. I'm obsessed with the little ticker number that shows my dollar amount. I'm obsessed with getting that dollar amount bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. It's like a fun little game. I really like it. I also like the fact that I get to deliver food to people because years ago when I worked in the food industry, I loved it. People love food and food makes people happy. So why not be part of that? So I've always loved anything that has to do with the food industry. The only bad thing is that anything that has to do with the food industry typically does not pay very well. So it pays well enough for the type of job that it is. I get to drive around in the car as long as I want. Nobody tells me when to start and nobody tells me when to stop. I can do as many orders as I want. I don't really have to talk to that many people. I deliver the food. Most of the deliveries are contactless deliveries, so I'm leaving deliveries at the door. And of course I wear my mask at all times when I'm doing deliveries. But it's just really simple. It feels like my time, like I'm able to just spend time alone with myself in my mind, and yet I'm making money at the same time. So I really like it. I just thought I would share that little tidbit with you guys. But so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm only doing like a couple orders. I want to bump that number up Okay, I just did one delivery because that's basically all I have time for, but one delivery was $12 and something, and it took 30 minutes. So if you're trying to gauge about how much money you can make driving for Uber Eats, that's the deal. As I was delivering though, I got 2 incoming requests. One was for $16 and one was, I believe, $19. So there is money to be made. I think the peak time is in the evening dinner hours. So I'll keep that in mind. Okay, tonight's recipe is crispy smashed potatoes. So here are our potatoes. These are super easy but really yummy. You guys saw last time when I tried to do this and I couldn't get them off the baking sheet. So this time we're gonna remedy that with this extra virgin olive oil spray. And then the seasonings I'm using this time are garlic powder and rubbed sage. So what we do first is take the baked potatoes or the potatoes, wash them, and then cut them into large chunks. Then we're gonna boil them for 15 minutes, and then we put them on a pan, smash them flat, sprinkle with seasonings, and bake for another 25 to 30 minutes. So we're gonna have that tonight with this ahi tuna. There are 2 tuna steaks here, one for each of us. I'm cooking those in the air fryer. And then we're also gonna have some of these mixed vegetables with our 0 smart points. So everything here tonight, this entire dinner is gonna be 0 smart points. Okay, I wanted to show you what size we wanna cut the potatoes. So the recipe says either use baby potatoes or cut them into large chunks. So we're gonna do them about this size. Nice large chunks. This one's a little bigger, so I'm gonna do it into thirds. And this side into maybe halves. You could just do halves. Yeah, now half this one. All right, that's it. We're gonna get these in boiling water and boil for 15 minutes. Okay, so here's our potatoes. They've boiled for 15 minutes. We put them on this pan with tin foil and sprayed the tin foil very liberally with olive oil cooking spray. So now we just need to smash the potatoes. We're using very heavy bottomed glasses. You want something that's gonna really be able to smash down the potatoes. So we're just gonna smash each potato.
Thank God.
Not too flat. Don't obliterate it, just smash it. Good job. Okay, now we're gonna put these in the oven at 425 for 30 minutes. We're gonna flip them over after they're halfway through. Okay, I forgot that we need to actually put seasonings on this first. So we're gonna use some more olive oil spray and spray the tops lightly. You can go like this. There you go. And then I'm gonna add rubbed sage. And then we're gonna add garlic powder.
Just like that.
Yeah, just not too much. There you go. Perfect. Now we're gonna bake them at 425 for 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 12 minutes and now it's time to turn our potatoes over. That one's really thin, so oh, okay, this is so much better. Last time I tried this, they were all completely stuck. Oh yeah, these are gonna be great. It's okay, I got it. You can help with the spray and the seasoning. So after we flip all these over, we're gonna spray them one more time with the olive oil and then throw a little bit more seasoning on the back side. This is so much easier than last time. These are gonna be crispy and yummy and 0 points. Okay, let's hit them with the spray again. And then I'll do one and you can do the other. You got the garlic powder, I got the rubbed sage. Perfect. All right, we're gonna throw these back, a little more?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna throw these back in the oven at 425 for another 15 minutes. And here's our crispy smashed potatoes, fresh out of the oven, 0 points and looking so delicious. Okay, here's my 0 point dinner for tonight. I have these this is tuna steaks, hit with a little bit of lemon juice and some dill, 0 smart points. Mixed vegetables for 0 smart points. And then these are the crispy smashed potatoes for 0 smart points. That looks beautiful and delicious. I'm gonna enjoy that with a glass of seltzer water and rum for 7 smart points. So my entire dinner tonight is only 7 smart points.